Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're following Cardano ADA, you're going to want to hear this. Experts are now speculating that ADA could see an 80% price increase very soon. That's right, Cardano is gearing up for a major move, and we're here to break it all down just for you. In this video, we're going to dive into the recent analysis, explore what's fueling this bullish speculation, and share the social sentiment and how it looks. The Cardano community is buzzing with a lot of excitement building around this potential surge. Is this the moment Cardano ADA holders have been waiting for? Stick around because we're about to explore why experts believe this could be a reality and whether you should be getting ready for an ADA breakout. If you're holding ADA or thinking about getting in, this video is one that you don't want to miss. Let's go. So, according to a recent forecast, and Cardano ADA news today is showing potential for a strong price surge, with predictions suggesting it could hit 50 cent by the end of October. This is based on ADA's current market trends, with factors like increased network activity, DeFi growth, and general crypto market movements as well are also thrown into this article alongside that. While some in the community remain cautiously optimistic, others are preparing for a bullish rally. Now, this isn't the 80% that I was talking about in the intro. We're going to come on to that in a moment because there's a lot of people saying very similar things. The sentiment is, bullishly optimistic at best. And yeah, look, I've got my opinion. Let me know yours in the comments. Do you think ADA can hit 50 cent anytime soon, particularly by the end of this month? Or do you think, the market volatility is going to hold it back? Now, I'll give you my opinion. I think that actually the Cardano summit that is live in Dubai, probably by the time this video's gone out, right? It'll definitely be live by the time this video goes out. Maybe not whilst I'm recording this video, but you've got the likes of 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗓 that are going to be there. You've got LCX, an exchange that is now listing Cardano native tokens, right? We've also got another big company, project ecosystem that's going to be there, right? Which I'll come on to later on in this video, which again, I think is just huge. And I'll come on to why later on. There's a lot going on, right? And maybe 50 cent is possible by the end of this month. Maybe the Cardano summit is the catalyst. Maybe there's a big piece of news from Charles, the team. Who knows, right? But there's a lot going on, and I think that there is something, quite big on the horizon. Yeah, I think that the market is going to, do tremendously well. I do think that we've got a few pullbacks to happen. I'm not expecting anything like majorly drastic. 60k Bitcoin at like the most. And for me, I think we're on an upwards into the bull market. But you can let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. So I wanted to quickly interrupt this video to let you know that we have an exclusive offer on for any traders that are looking for a non-KYC exchange. This is with Blowfin. There's 10% cash back up to a maximum of $2,000 on future bonus. Now, there is a link in the description of the video. It is an affiliate link. Do check out Blowfin if you're looking for a non-KYC exchange. This offer is on until the 4th of November at 8 p.m. UTC. All the terms and conditions are on their website. And obviously, this is not something endorsed by YouTube in any way. So before I get into the next article, lots of people have been saying that, I guess they don't watch the videos. They've been saying, you've been saying this for ages, $3 Cardano, $100, $10. Eventually, laws of probability is you'll get one of these things right. This is not my prediction. So I just want to be really clear. I'm just going over what others are saying, what other analysts are saying, and giving my views and opinions on, their analysis. And, Nick does all of his technical analysis over on his channel. Go check that out if you want to hear more about what we think is realistic, right? And join us in the free Discord, right? Members have, done very, very well in the member section of the Discord, right? We've got over 450 project reviews. I was just talking to Mo, one of the co-founders of Aptos, and I was talking about the fact that back in 2022, I think it was November 1st, the article that I wrote about Aptos went out, but it only launched in like, I think it was October 2022. My review was actually written in 2022 in October, right? So went out the 1st of November. It got a really high rating, right? And I went on to say that, you should probably not buy it at launch, wait for it to pull back, wait for the bottom to come in. And like for me, it was a buy. It got a 7.5 out of 10 on, my project review rating system back then, like just as it had launched. So, there is a lot of perks in our membership, and it's definitely worth exploring it. And if you're not in the free Discord, which is absolutely free, you probably need to check yourself, right? Because there's no reason not to be in there. There's over 7,000 people, all real, not bots. We, make sure that we work really hard to make sure people don't get scammed as well. You're not going to have people reaching out to you left, right, and center trying to scam you. Maybe the odd one slips through the net, but we do a fantastic job. The team does a fantastic job of trying to keep our community safe. Engage with us there, have more meaningful conversations. That's why I'm kind of highlighting it. But look, regardless of the namesayers, the haters, these are not my predictions. I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on what's realistic. Come the end of this video, I'll give you my price prediction for ADA, and then we'll continue as we mean to go on, right? So this particular article, recent analysis suggests that ADA, Cardano ADA, could rally up to $3, driven by a combination of technical factors and growing network activity. The price surge is tied to the anticipation of institutional adoption, ecosystem growth, and positive sentiment around upcoming upgrades. So look, very similar articles, right, with very similar analysis. They're all coming to very similar conclusions, right? 50 cent by the end of this month, $3 price prediction for Cardano ADA, this bull market. Like, I've got to say, like, my opinion is $3 is very conservative for Cardano in this cycle, right? Am I expecting Cardano to be the top performing altcoin of this cycle? No. I think that actually it's more of a long-term investment. I think, we had a conversation with, somebody, quite prominent in the crypto space just yesterday, and they were saying, how they were disillusioned by Cardano ADA. They're no longer in Cardano ADA. And I think it's all really about time horizons. I talk about this with our members in our weekly AMAs, about, different types of investments and time horizons. Age, I think, has a really big impact on the style of investment strategy you should have, right? And these are all things we talk about in our membership section. Obviously it's not financial advice, but I'd like to think that we talk a lot of common sense about the approaches people can have, should have, perhaps shouldn't have, and give our views and opinions on it, right? And go jump in the free Discord and ask the members directly, whether it's worth it. I don't want to keep pitching this stuff to people. I'm not trying to sell it to you. Whether you join or you don't, it's no skin off my nose. I'm just here trying to, share knowledge, and we've been very, very successful with how we've approached investments when it comes to cryptocurrency. Are we, single-handedly the best when it comes to the amount of gains that we make each cycle? Probably not. But are we, amongst some of the individuals that are, I guess, risk averse, but still have exposure to enough risk that your reward is good? We're probably right up there. So yeah, look, it's just my views, my opinions. Sentiment is slightly bullish, but cautious optimism. My take: while Cardano, if I can get my words out, has strong foundations and fundamentals, the market volatility means that this target could take some time. I think there are some key resistance levels that we need to break through first. But look, I'm sat here thinking, $3 Cardano, this bull market is more than achievable. I think we can, exceed that we could probably double that in this bull market. That's my views, my opinions. Let me know yours in the comments below. Give me your price predictions. So this is the article I was referring to when doing the intro, right? Cardano price analyst, or analysis, I should say. Could Cardano ADA surge 80% to all-time high by 2025? Experts are speculating that Cardano ADA could see an 80% price increase, pushing towards a new all-time high by 2025. No, so not in 2025, by 2025. I think, all is possible. But I think it will be in 2025 that we see a $3 ADA, in my humble opinion. This projection hinges on several key factors. It always hinges on factors, right, including strong network upgrades, institutional interest, and growing adoption. The path to this level won't be without its challenges, as I mentioned. But the current market outlook leans bullish for the long-term growth, and I'm very bullish long-term growth for Cardano ADA. I want to be quite clear on that, right? So the question is, right, I'll pass over to you in the comments down below. Do you believe Cardano ADA can surpass its all-time high this bull market? And I don't want to just, hear you say yes in the comments or read you say yes in the comments. Tell me why, or tell me why not. Really interested to get your views and opinions. And look, it's going to be a question that I pose to all of you, that, people are going to debate in the comments. And I want to see those debates. I want people to, tell us, yay or nay. Really interested to get your views and opinions. My views are, the bullish sentiment is here. It's building. The market is volatile, and obviously, the resistance levels remain a factor. And I don't think anything's really changed there. Okay, so Cardano's upcoming summit in Dubai, October 24th. So it's actually tomorrow. Is gearing or gaining attention with Singularity Net's participation. Again, we've talked about Zilliqa, participating, LCX participating, Binance participating, right? This is becoming one of the strongest events. Singularity now, obviously letting everybody know that they're going to be there. Singularity Net is known for its AI and blockchain integrations. We'll discuss its collaboration with Cardano. This has been sparking excitement within both communities. This event highlights Cardano's continued push into the AI sector, a bold move aimed to expand its ecosystem and solidify its relevance in the decentralized space. Now, what I would say is obviously this is a big deal, right? Singularity Net, for those of you that don't know, I'm very good friends with the team at Singularity Net. They're, I guess, merged or merging. I guess it's still kind of going through that process with Ocean and Fetch AI. I couldn't think of who it was then. Don't know why my head went blank. But look, merging into ASI, artificial intelligence, super intelligence alliance. And again, for me, a really bold move just from them alone. So the fact that you've got swarms of AI and Singularity Net working with Cardano, I think this is a really, really positive thing. And I'm really excited to see what comes out of the Cardano Summit event in regards to this, because you've got quite a few different projects attending. VeChain's recently attended a few of their events as well. I think this collaboration approach is going to be something that we see more of. Again, I've been talking to members about my expectations for acquisitions, mergers, and we're going through that phase of we should be watching behaviors of all these different layer ones, layer twos, and various different projects, because I'm expecting a lot of acquisitions and a lot of mergers to happen in the coming bull market and bear market. As they approach, I expect more and more that we're going to see these kind of mergers and acquisitions, and I think that this is a really positive thing. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions on in the comments below. I think that there's going to be some really big announcements at the Cardano Summit, and I'm expecting this could potentially be that catalyst that pushes Cardano ADA up. alongside what a lot of other people think. Normally, I'm a bit apprehensive about, being public about my feelings when they align with what's out there in the media, because normally most people are wrong and very few people are right, and that is how you make money. But I am kind of aligned. I think this time is going to be a little bit different. Do you think that Cardano will have a good push with AI and the AI sector? Really interested to get your views and opinions. And finally, some more big news for Cardano ADA holders. Your Wallet's latest partnership is opening the door to passive income opportunities. Through its integration, ADA holders can now earn rewards, creating a significant step forward for both Cardano's ecosystem and Your Wallet users. So again, just really bullish. I don't really know exactly what the change is. I've seen there is a big, I guess, facelift when it comes to the UI front end for the URI wallet. You can still stake. You've always been able to stake on there, but maybe you can stake slightly differently, or there's more, I guess, facilities and different ways to stake. Because I know that it was always kind of you can only stake to one stake pool and so on, and you can stake with cheek pool, right? 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗚. Go stake to the cheek pool right now and earn a passive income. But look, bullish sentiment around this one. Again, strong move to enhance Cardano's staking features and utility. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. But for me, that's kind of everything. I hope that people are going to the Cardano Summit. I hope you enjoy it over there in Dubai. It's amazing. Unfortunately, I can't attend this time round, but I'm sure I'll be at all of the others. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.